慶典馬上開始，歡迎大家一齊參加，以此嚟慶祝。好，and celebrate with us。接下來所有慶典慶典馬上開始，Moana回來啦！靠着這裡時間的 The time has come, Moana has returned, and the celebration begins! 各位 ，Welcome fellow voyagers！ 今日我哋所有嘅村民都嚟到呢度，
大家也聚首一堂，
慶祝歡迎遠道歸來嘅
Welcome home
our very own Moana！
Thank you and welcome to you all！ 歡迎大家，我哋想聽你講你嘅驚險旅程啊！
告訴我們你的所見所聞。
仲有見過啲咩樣？
去個什麼地方
？I'll be happy to share my story。
咁就好啦，我哋邀請咗全部嘅村民一齊幫手講故事，你哋會幫手嘅，係唔係啊？
你們也會幫忙一起講故事，好不好？Thank you. It'll be so great and so much fun if you would all join in. And now, let's begin. Actually, my story began 1,000 years ago when the demigod Maui 1000年前半人半神嘅 Maui. Wait a minute, wait, stop. This isn't Maui. He's way too small. Maui was big and strong and had these tattoos all over. 你覺得啱？Maui應該係好大隻，仲有全身都係紋身。不過我哋記得佢先可以扮演到貓兒嘅啫。Oh, he's just pretending. Got it. Nor was I. Right. Maui stole the heart of Te Fiti. 貓兒偷走咗萬物之母 Te Fiti 嘅心，他偷了 Te Fiti 的心。But others wanted the heart as well. 我係踢球，係長過土地同烈火嘅魔鬼，我都想要佢個心啊！
我好勇鬥狠，夾輸其他動物，然後 listen。
Maui was clever, a trickster, a shapeshifter who could change himself to escape. 走唔甩㗎喎！甲蟲都唔得啫！麻鷹就得啦。But that was long before I came along。咁又係呀！嗰陣時你都未有耐出世啊 ！Grandma Ever since I was a child, I followed the advice of my Grandma Tala. 聽嫲嫲講，你要跟隨自己個心，好似我哋祖先一樣，向住個大海進發啊！ was calling to me, asking me to return the heart and make Te Fiti whole again. But how do I get there?
跟隨自己個心去夢灣，個大海會引領你將 Te Fiti 個心還翻俾佢。
All right, I'll do it. Even though I've never journeyed past the reef before, how hard could it be?
雖然你未去過礁石外面，不過咁樣又會難得到你。
After all, I am Moana, and so my journey began.
好灣男要出海啦！嚟啊大家，我哋一齊舉起雙手，好似咁樣。Hands up everyone! Easy 舉手 and make some waves together like this. Good. How about the sound of the ocean? 就係咁啦，好好聽啊！
Oh! Hei Hei! You don't know what Hei Hei sounds like, do you? Can you help us? Can you make us sound like Hei Hei? He's the chicken! He clucks! Let's go sing hide him now. Just like that,